You've heard everyone talking about AI, but what does that actually mean for you as a small business owner? People keep saying things like, AI is changing everything, but most business owners I talk to are just trying to keep up with customers, invoices, and the constant to-do list. So today, I'm going to break down, in plain English, what AI really is, how it actually works, and what it means for your business moving forward. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why AI isn't T here to replace you. It's S here to replace your busy work. Most small business owners aren't anti-AI. They're overwhelmed. You're already wearing 10 hats: sales, marketing, admin, customer service, and the idea of learning AI sounds like adding an 11th. But here's the truth. You don't need to learn AI. You just need to point it at the repetitive stuff you already hate doing. You know, retyping the same emails over and over, copying notes into quotes, writing social media captions, scheduling appointments, following up with customers who haven't replied yet. That's where AI shines. Because AI is like having a digital assistant who never gets tired, never complains, and never forgets a single thing on the to-do list. So what is AI, really? AI, or artificial intelligence, is just software that recognizes patterns and produces useful output. If a calculator helps you do math faster, AI helps you handle words, tasks, and decisions faster. It reads information, learns patterns, and gives you drafts, summaries, or suggestions. You give it context. It gives you speed. That's it. AI is a business calculator, not for numbers, but for communication, organization, and problem solving. And here's the part most people miss. AI doesn't act on its own. It needs a human operator. That's you. You're the brain. AI is the muscle. Now let's clear up a few myths. AI is not a robot taking over your job. It's not going to show up at your office and replace your employees. And it's not magic. AI can make mistakes. It sometimes sounds too confident. That's why the right approach is AI with humans, not AI instead of humans. You still make the decisions. You still approve what gets sent. AI just handles the typing, summarizing, and formatting that would have taken you forever. Let me show you what that looks like. Meet John. He owns a small construction company. His right-hand person, Susie, handles admin, invoices, scheduling, and customer emails. Susie's great at her job, but there's only one of her. She can handle maybe 50 tasks a day before she hits her limit. Now, imagine John gives Susie an AI-powered toolkit. Suddenly, when a new lead fills out a form, the AI drafts a follow-up email automatically. When a job is completed, the AI prepares the invoice and email draft. When a customer texts asking for an estimate, AI fills in the quote based on past templates. Susie still checks everything, but instead of spending 10 minutes writing each email, she spends 10 seconds approving it. Her 50-task day turns into a 500-task day. Nothing gets missed, customers get faster replies, and the business earns more money without hiring another person. That's the power of AI. It doesn't replace Susie. It multiplies her. Let's talk about a few ways small business owners are already using AI right now. Customer emails. AI drafts professional, polite replies in seconds. All you do is approve and send. Prompt example. Write a friendly reply confirming Friday's appointment at 2 p.m. and include a short thank you line. Appointment prep. AI turns messy notes into clear checklists for your team. Prompt. Summarize this job note into a 6-item checklist for my technician. Quotes and estimates. AI formats your handwritten notes into a clean, client-ready scope of work. Prompt. Turn these drywall notes into a professional project summary. Social posts. AI creates captions for before and after photos or short updates. Prompt. Give me 3 Instagram captions for this before and after kitchen photo. Keep them friendly and under 100 words. Daily planning. AI looks at your task list and calendar and builds a priority plan. Prompt. From these tasks and my calendar, make a 5-item priority list for today. These are simple examples, but each one saves minutes that turn into hours. Let's do quick math. If AI saves you just 1 hour a day, that's roughly 22 hours a month. Now multiply that by what your time is worth. Even at $50 an hour, that's over $1,000 of time back every single month. No meetings, no payroll tax, no hiring headaches. That's the power of automating with AI, small wins that quietly stack up to massive results. A quick word about using AI responsibly. 3 rules keep you safe and effective. 1. Review important outputs. Money, contracts, and safety decisions always need a human eye. 2. Protect sensitive data. Never paste private info like customer credit cards or employee social security numbers. 3. Document your prompts. Save what works so results stay consistent. AI drafts. You approve. That's the formula. Here's the real key to winning with AI. The owners who succeed don't chase every new tool. They build systems. A system is simple. Trigger, AI draft, human review, send. Example. A new lead fills out a form. AI drafts a quote, you approve, and the email goes out. That's a repeatable, scalable process. That's leverage. AI isn't a project you finish once. It's a habit you build into how you already work. To get started, you don't need 100 apps. You only need 3 things. 1. A solid AI chat tool, like ChatGPT. 2. Your normal email or calendar system. 3. A place to store your best prompts and templates, like Notion, Google Docs, or even your Notes app. That's it. That's enough to save hours each week, starting today. And in the next video, I'll walk you through exactly how to connect those tools together for free or near free. Let's quickly handle a few common fears. I'm not tech-savvy. Perfect. AI handles the typing. You handle the thinking. I tried AI once, and it was generic. That's normal. It means your prompt didn't have enough context. Once you learn how to give AI better direction, the quality skyrockets. I don't have time to learn this. You don't need a full day. Start with 5 minutes. Have AI write 1 email. Tomorrow, use it for 1 post. Small steps add up fast. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to free you. It's a business assistant that costs pennies, works instantly, and helps you focus on the things that actually move the needle: customers, strategy, and growth. Start with 1 task. Build the habit. Because the businesses that start using AI today are the ones that will dominate tomorrow. If this video helped you understand AI, the next one is going to show you exactly how to set it up. Step by step, simple and cheap. Check out Part 2. How small businesses can start using AI in 2025. And if you want my free AI starter kit with the same prompts and templates I mentioned today, grab the link below. AI isn't the future. It's the biggest small business advantage right now.